Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we are unboxing my April mystery kit subscription from DEK Designs. In case you are new here, this is a monthly subscription that I get from DEK Designs. It's $16 plus shipping. It is a mystery kit. It is guaranteed not to be released into the shop for at least a year, sometimes longer. I have yet to see any of the mystery kits I've gotten end up in the shop. And there's always something different in them. So I think last month, what did we get last month? I forget. There was like a pen, or was that the month before? There's always something different in there. So this month, there are 2 die-cut stickers, and this one did not come mangled. I mangled this to make sure it was a sticker. That's me. They are, in fact, stickers. So this is a little chicken with an actual purple bow on the front. So if you don't like making your planner like super thick with things like this, you could use this on an Easter card or a spring card if you don't do Easter. And then this is a toy bunny, and it says April on it. And then this is the kit itself. So we've got the 8 decorative boxes up front. So we've got the same bunny, and it's all got gold foiling. So this is like a rose and a bunch of leaves. And we've got a cake, and we've got a hand with some foil and more foil. We've got a very yummy looking cup of something with whipped cream and candy on top of it. I guess this is a bow. We've got an Easter basket with an egg and a chick, and we've got a table all set up with tulips and an ice cream cone and some little foil accents. These are flowers. At least, yeah, they're flowers. So those are super cute. I forgot to mention there are going to be 2 surprise announcements in this video. One is mine, and then we've got our day covers with the gold over the top, my favorite little boxes and tags. And look at this washi. This is so pretty. I think it goes this way. So pretty. I love these flowers. I love the gold accents. That's just gorgeous. And then you've got your little sheet of people. I know most of you like people, so there's also little like bunnies, and I guess that's little Easter baskets or something. What is that? I guess that's what that is. I'm not sure. Along with the people. And we've got our gold foil date dots, because this is a gold foil kit. And then we've got the flags up top. They're always decorative. The scallops, the scalloped half boxes. These are more like scalloped quarter boxes down here. Work stickers, and then all this deco. So this is all stuff you see throughout the kit, and sometimes some extra stuff. So you've got like chickens and bunnies and cakes and eggs and bows and tulips. All kinds of cute. There's a cupcake. All kinds of cute little things in there. And then we've got our regular boxes. Weird. Okay. Don't mind me. I'm just babbling to myself. I'm still sick, as you can hear. So we've got headers. We've got our boxes with silver on top. We've got more of them down here, but they're skinnier. We've got our 6 decorative boxes with foil. And then we've got our non-decorative, non-foiled boxes, our habit trackers, and then our 3 headers with the bows on them. So those are always cute, too. And then we've got our today stickers, to-do stickers, this week, meals, exercise, work, today, some more to-dos, the silver dividers, the 5 3-heart checklists, the weekend banner, the 3 two-tone flags with foil over here that I try not to mangle, the scallop bar, and then these little gold swishies on blue paper back here. We've got the 6 3-heart checklists, 5-heart checklist, the clipboard, the Monday through Sunday, 3 more boxes with the foil lines, but these all have these pretty flowers in the background. And then we've got all our usual words on lavender background, which is very nice. And Grateful is back on this one, so I think maybe it's just not included in the sub-box kit, or maybe they made the sub-box kit before they started adding Grateful. I'm not really sure. So now we've got a whole sheet of decos. You got grocery bags, way too many pairs of sneakers, forks and knives and spoons. We've got Emma playing with makeup, getting a pedicure. We've got Boo Bear with bills, bows, Coffee Monday, Happy Mail, Fuel Up, errands. I guess that's supposed to be like date night, a cake, water the plants, all the usual cute deco that we get. And then we've got 2 more boxes. This one is flowers, and this one says Happy Easter, and it's like a decorated mantle. So hopefully, because I haven't been paying attention, all of this got on the screen. And I'm sniffling. Okay, so we're down to our last page. Okay, so the other announcement is that this video is going to host the yellow giveaway. The yellow giveaway has gotten exceedingly large and needs to get out of my home. So you're going to comment down below. I'm trying to think what you should comment, because really I'm just doing this on the fly. Comment your favorite planning tool. like tool, like not stickers or paper or your favorite planner, like tool, something that you use to plan, like my tweezers, like, you know, a tool. Comment your favorite planning tool, and then we will use the comment picker and pick a winner. Okay. Last page. So we've got the scalloped rectangles, 3 more decorative boxes with little bunny wreaths, and we've got 5 of the postage stamp like squares that I like, an extra little strip of floral washi, 3 of the boxes I like with the washi in the corners, and then you've got 9 bows in each of the 3 major kit colors. So this is really cool. $16, and the shipping, I think I pay less than $20, which is less than the cost of a foiled kit in the shop. So it's a pretty good deal. Like I said, there's other things that come in them, like a kit or 2 ago. This pen was in with the kit. I think one time there were sticky notes. I really forget what last month was. I would have to look. It might have been more die-cut stickers. I don't remember. And like I said, if you like, you know, unique kits, exclusive kits, other people can't get them unless they subscribe. This is for you, because, well, the monthly kits, the monthly sub boxes, technically those could end up on the shop. I don't think they ever have, but they can. But this is guaranteed exclusive for at least a year. So if that makes you happy and that's your kind of thing and you like to get the unicorns, then, you know, this is for you. Don't forget to comment down below if you would like to enter the yellow giveaway. Let's see. Should I show you guys what's in the yellow giveaway? Because there's a lot of stuff in here. It's also mixed into the box with the people giveaway. So, all right. So let's move the mystery kit. Okay, so, you know, I've been talking about these zipper pouches. They all come with colors on them. These are yellow, so you're getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those, and then the rest of your stuff will be in there. And I reserve the right to add more yellow things to this before I draw it, because just yellow shows up at my house all the time. Okay, so let's see. We've got yellow markers. Maybe putting them on top of these bags wasn't my best idea. All right, so we've got, what are these? All right, so these 2... That's Crayola. Alright, these 2 are Crayola. This one is Cultivate What Matters. These have not been used. This is kind of like a yellow-brown. This is washi from the Happy Planner Valentine's box for this year. This is another Cultivate What Matters yellow marker. You've got Mini, Classic, and Expander yellow discs. Got more washi, so that's the twin, because I buy 2 of everything, so that's the 2 from the kit. This is Caliber Plan washi. This is Papermate Flare, never used. Yellow binder rings, so you can put them through your Happy Planner sticker books to keep them together when they start falling apart. You got more yellow discs, mini and classic-ish size. These are from that Amazon haul. Okay, now I need some place to put the people stickers. My kid's messing with that. Alright, so now there's a bunch of stickers too. So there's... okay, let's see. So there's yellow stickers. I forget which book these are from. They're Happy Planner. I just don't remember which book they came out of. I think it was one of the rainbow books. So there's those. This is also Happy Planner. I think it came out of Pressed Florals. I believe that these are Caliber Plan. So this is one of the sets out of one of her books. I am going to put these in some kind of cardboard or plastic sleeve. So you get a couple of sets of those. And then there were some more. She's got kind of like an olivey yellow, like a mustardy yellow kind of thing going on in here that I wasn't, like, sometimes I'm okay with mustardy yellow, and this one I wasn't, and I figured, you know what, it should go to someone who will like it. So there it is. Granted, 1 or 2 stickers maybe aren't so useful anymore. The rest of them should be. And like I said, I reserve the right to add more things to this as time goes on, before we pick a winner, which will be in approximately 2 weeks, but to keep it separate from the people giveaway. There's actually supposed to be more washi in there, so there will definitely be more than what is here. I just have to figure out which box I put that washi in. So there's these 2 bags that have the cards, and then these 3 bags are smaller, so I folded 2 and put them in this one. Actually, they're not smaller. Ever so slightly. maybe smaller, but they don't have the card on them. That's really the only difference. So these are good for storing kits in. Like I have all my sub boxes. I take them apart, I put them in these bags. I like storing them in this much better. Plus I can label them. So that is what's up for grabs in the yellow giveaway. So I think, aside from there is some missing yellow washi, which I will find, don't worry, that's it for that giveaway. And that's it for this video. So thanks for hanging out with me. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with a couple of your friends. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss any more videos. And I'll see you in the next one.